Hello, children. Let's continue with the chapter The Battle of Troy. The Greeks have gone indeed. We are safe now. They cried in joy. The camps are burnt to ashes. There is neither a single man nor a huge ship to be seen. Now the Greeks have gone from there. We are safe now. We here refers to the Trojans. Trojans are saying, now we are safe. They cried in joy, and the camps are burned to ashes. There is neither a single man to be seen, nor a huge ship to be seen. But there stands in the midst of the ruins a huge wooden horse, the like of which we have never seen before, they said in great surprise. As the Trojans were surprised to see all this, so they said, but in the middle of all this destruction, we can see a huge wooden horse which we have never seen before like this. Soon the big gates of Troy were opened and the people came out running. Everybody was laughing and shouting in joy that the Greeks were gone at last. So they were all happy and the gates were open. They came to the ruined camps. Ruin means destroyed camps. And stood gazing at the huge wooden horse that stood in the middle of the ruins. And they were all gazing at that huge wooden horse that stood in the middle of those camps which were set on fire by the Greeks. Now the Trojans began to discuss seriously about what had to be done with the horse. Now they were in great confusion. Now what we will do with the horse? Some of them wanted to take it inside the city as a souvenir, while some others wanted to throw it into the sea. So some decided that we'll take the horse inside the city as a souvenir. Souvenir is as a statue. Okay, we'll use it as a statue, as a memento, while some others wanted to throw it in the sea. So here if I'll talk about, here we have read the main thing is that Trojans were happy as Greeks had gone away, and when the big gates of Troy kingdom was opened, people came out running. They were very happy. Trojans were confused about the horse and wanted to take it either inside the city or in the sea. Next is, after a long discussion, it was decided to take the wooden horse inside. They dragged it across the plain and reached the gate of the city. So at last, after a long discussion, they decided to take that horse inside the city only. They dragged it across the plain and reached the gate of the city. But the horse was so big that it could not enter through the gates. They thought for some time and then broke down a section of the wall. So they broke some part of the wall in order to take the horse inside the city. Now they were able to take the horse in. They pulled it along the streets and brought it to the market square and placed it there. As you might have seen, when we go at a place, sometimes in the middle of the road, we can see a round circle, and in between there is a statue. One horse is there and on it man is sitting. So likewise here in the story also, this horse was used as a souvenir. They pulled it along the city streets and brought it to the market square, and square means the center of the market, and placed it there. That night the Trojans arranged a grand feast to celebrate the occasion. So that night the Trojans arranged a grand feast. Feast means a kind of festival. They were enjoying it and they celebrated this occasion a lot. They ate, they drank and danced on the streets. Even the soldiers also joined with crowd, rejoicing heartily. Rejoicing is enjoying, okay, happily. At last, worn out with excitement, at last when they were tired with all this celebration and excitement, they fell asleep, leaving only a few guards by the walls and the gates. So rest were asleep and few guards were there at the gate. So here the main thing is, after discussion, The Trojans decided that we will take the horse inside the city, and they brought it to the marketplace and placed it there. That night, Trojans celebrated this event because a new thing came in that kingdom. And at last, when the celebration was over, when they were tired, they fell asleep and only left with the few guards who were at the gate. So I hope you have understood this much. Thank you.